Nanjing is the capital of Jiangsu Province. I think the market is huge.
Located in the lower Yangtze River drainage basin and the Yangtze River Delta economic zone, Nanjing has always been one of China's most important cities. Nanjing was the capital for 6 dynasties and is now the second largest commercial center in East China, second only to Shanghai. Nanjing's 5 pillar industries are automotive, petrochemicals, electronics, including ICT, iron and steel, and power generation. These sectors comprise 68% of Nanjing's manufacturing output, having built a strong basis for the city's industrial system.
The consumer market is growing every year in the past 3 years for 15%.
Nanjing's sector opportunities are automotive, petrochemicals, financial services, ICT, including component manufacturing, IT outsourcing and training, and high-end retail. One of the 4 ancient capitals of China, Nanjing is now a modern and progressive city.
I like its infrastructure system. It's quite convenient for our people to travel from other cities to here, and quite convenient for us to travel to other places. The government continues to invest large amount of money into the transportation, including the intercity high-speed train and also the public transportation, like the metro system. Actually, we go to Shanghai, it takes only 2 hours.
The water supply, electricity supply, and the natural gas supplies are very stable. At least I never heard of any shortage in supply of electricity in past few years.
Nanjing has a population of 7 million, 680,000 of whom are students.
There are over 14 universities in Nanjing, and they are all the young talents. They can speak fluent English, they can speak Mandarin, and they are ready for working in different environments. I think it is a very good environment for foreign investors. The government support is very substantial in Nanjing as well. They have the Bureau of Foreign Affairs and Economic Cooperation and the Foreign Business Promotion Center to encourage the investment of foreign investors. I always turn to our bank HR department for help and the government office, the Foreign Affairs office, because government can provide full services to foreigners.
But what would established companies say about the challenges of Nanjing?
I think the major challenges include language, because you can communicate in English with your staff, but when you go out shopping in supermarket, you have to speak Mandarin.
My suggestion is you should always to know the local market and the local people. Nanjing is quite a unique city, and it's rich in history and culture. If you want to do business here, you must try to familiar with local people, to know what they think, how they think.
If you deal with some kind of government documents, you need to understand Chinese, or you can't understand what the documents talk about. And secondly, I think you should understand the tax system and the custom system. They are totally different from other countries.
Companies from 104 countries and regions have invested in 10,500 projects in Nanjing, including Standard Chartered, BASF, Siemens, Shell, BP, Ericsson, and DTZ.
If I were to make the investment decision again, I will still choose Nanjing, because in Nanjing, the economic environment is growing. Many young talents, good support from government, so I still choose Nanjing.